Welcome back. We're on Wednesday, April 29th, day 3, page 5 and 6 of the packet. All right? So, even if you haven't printed it, a lot of you have gotten back to me that you got the mailer. Okay? So, April 29th, day 3, you're making a calendar for yourself. Okay? If you haven't done that, please do so. Today is our first Wednesday, so language arts, social studies. Have you visited a virtual classroom? A Teams meeting, a Zoom meeting? Have you met with your teacher online to find out what you need to do to ensure that your grade goes up just a little bit over the next 7 weeks? Do so. If you have any questions, please reach out. We've got a little blog site for all the teachers. We can ask other questions to find out how to accomplish things, all right? So let's get started today. Now, no need to print. Don't have the packet? No worries. Find something in the house. Remember, we're only doing 20 minutes of math. The video takes 5 to 10 minutes. That leaves you with 15 minutes to do math, okay? Grab some paper towels, right? Toilet paper rolls, do some math. No one has actually sent me a photo of them doing math on a window. I'm still trying to work that out for next week. If there's a way to do this video on one of the windows in the house with dry erase pens. See if I can accomplish that, okay? All right, we're talking about circles, okay? The equation of a circle. Got to have an equation so that we can mathematically describe a circle, so that we can hand it off to the engineers to stress test it, so that we make sure that it's strong enough for whatever we're asking it to do, like that tire I showed you yesterday. Okay, we're on page 5 and 6. Shouldn't take but a few minutes to do all the problems. On page 5, number 5, this time they gave us the center of the circle, they gave us the radius, and they're asking us to sketch it and write the equation. Okay, let's do the sketch first. Let's count over -6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -6. Down 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's put a dot. There's our center, the center of the circle. What's the radius? Radius of 5. Let's count up 5 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put a little dot there. Count back 5. Count back. Oh, wait. What are you saying? All right. Good job. If we come all the way over, that's a radius, isn't it? Straight up. 5 units. Okay. Count over 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, the 2 radii. Now we could go down 5, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And go back 5, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have the circle. Connect the dots. Let's do it. Let's do it. There's our circle. Now remember what Pythagoras said. Pythagoras said if you're given any 2 points, we can find the distance of that line. We already know the distance. It's 5 units. Okay, now the right triangle. Drop a line down. This is x comma y. Okay, this is the y value coming down, right? If this was h comma k, drop it down. What is the length of that line? Pythagoras. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. Well, this y value right here is y minus the k. Y minus k. So, y minus the center of the circle. The center of the circle. Y minus a minus 13. Squared. We already know the radius, 5. Oh, we got to find the x value. What is this x value right here? Right there. What is that length? Well, that's x, and this is h. X minus h, a minus 6 squared. Put a plus sign in there. So on your paper, you might write x plus 6 squared plus y plus 13 squared equals 5 squared. Now, it looked a lot more. Most of you are just looking at this and you're just writing it out. I get that. Okay? After you've done a half a dozen of these, you just go, oh, x minus a minus 6 squared, y minus a minus 13 squared equals 5 squared. There's nothing wrong with that. At the same time, I wanted you to describe my process if you're just getting started. All right? Let's turn to page 6, problem 7. Page 6, problem 7. Monty, there's no number. What do I do? Okay, remember how many times in math we say, why did the printer just not put those numbers in there? Right? There's a number in front of this x. It's called a 1. They don't type it in. All right, so let's rewrite this problem. X plus something. What is nothing in math? What number? Come on, we've done this in class. What number is nothing? 0. So x plus 0 squared plus y plus 0 squared equals, what number squared is 1? 1 squared. Now we have the general form, don't we? All right. So, one of the values of the center is 0. The other value of the center is 0. The center of this circle is 0, 0. Put a big dot right there. All right? And the radius is 1. Well, we can draw a circle with radius 1, can't we? All right. Let's just do it. Over 1, up 1, back 1, down 1. Connect the dots. That's it for today. The equation of a circle. That's all we're doing this week. Okay? So you had 4 problems on Monday. You had 4 problems yesterday. Today I think there's 8 front and back, right? Just do those math problems, and we're going to see you tomorrow for what's called a checkpoint. I know many of you have reached out saying, I'd like my grade to go up. Tomorrow's a checkpoint. Okay, so kind of like a quiz, it's written a little bit different. I'll give you a couple of directions in tomorrow's video. You do that math, you snap a photo, you post it, you email it, whatever, and we're all going to be good. Okay, and then we're going to done with this week. Whew! Then we can get on to Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Remember what Friday, Saturday, Sunday are? So Friday is binge watching day. What are you binge watching? You reach out to me and I tell you what we're binge watching here at the house. Saturday's inspiration day. I try to excite you about something so that you kind of sit back and dream and think happy thoughts. And then Sunday is activity day. All right? So we're just wrapping up this week. Tomorrow will be day 4. Have any questions? Please reach out. Oh, I also wanted to thank a few of you for stopping by last night's virtual classroom. Remember, I run a virtual classroom from 4 to 5 on Tuesdays if you need any extra help. See ya.